Of the hunt.
Big Daddy time.
They were down here the last couple days, down in this draw, as you guys saw in the video. Now we just got to figure out.
He's right down there.
He's right down there. We just heard his bugle.
Big Daddy time. He was down on that bench down there, didn't it?
Might be back on the back side of that.
Yeah. It's always a bad sign opening day when you hear an elk bugle like that.
Yeah, it's the pits.
It makes that sleepless night last night. They are.
Well, let's go get him. What do you think?
The wind has kind of got us messed up. Elk right down there, about probably 300-400 yards.
Tim's got him pretty close. We've slipped down above them, but the wind is just not working very well right now. We're not sure what to do next.
Big Dame found Big Daddy. Come down the hill just about to here, and I could start seeing light shadows coming through the sun. Lo and behold, Big Daddy. Come down here just about 40 yards. Just head and antlers above brush, couldn't get a shot at him. Watched him, finally moved off a little bit, down to about 80 yards. Perfect broadside, everything, but not Big Daddy. Nobody at 80 yards. So watched him, but he took off slowly. Cows are still chirping. They're down there probably a couple hundred yards. Not too spooked. Just know that something's going on. So give him a little time to cool down and go kill him.
Yeah. Okay, so got some action this morning. Tim was right in the middle of the herd. Just couldn't get a shot at the big boy. But they left us a nice trail. They left down the ridge, and we're hearing them bugle still. So we should be, although the wind's a little bit iffy again right now. But what's new, you know?
But we're on schedule for a 1 o'clock kill.
Yeah. That'll
Going
be
for
that
one.
right. That way we can pack in the cool of the evening. Instead of midday packs, those are pits.
Yeah. So.
But let's see what we get. But let's.
What's he doing?
We found them, but they moved off again. Not too spooked.